Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Hello and welcome back to the science class, children. In our last science class, we saw chapter number 1, sense organs. In this chapter, we studied about what sense organs are, how do they help us, and we learned about two sense organs, that are eyes and the ears. We studied how these sense organs help us and how we can take care of them. In today's class, we are going to study about the rest of the sense organs such as nose, tongue and the skin. Alright, so here I have a small video for you.
Welcome to grade 3rd Science Chapter 1 Session 2. The name of the chapter is Sense Organs. In today's video, we will be learning about nose, tongue and skin. Let's revise the concept of sense organs. The sense organs are our windows to the outside world. To understand this, we are going to learn about the parts of nervous system. Nose. When we pass by a garden full of roses, we enjoy the smell of flowers. When we pass by a garbage dump, we cover our nose to avoid the bad smell. This shows that we are able to identify different kinds of smells. We can differentiate between good and bad smell with the help of our nose. Our nose also helps us in breathing. The nose has a large number of tiny small cells. These smell cells detect the different smells present in the air around us. The smell cells send signals to the brain, and then the brain helps us to identify the smell. The nose also has nasal hair that prevents the entry of dust and germs into our body. Tips of taking care of our nose. Do not prick your nose as it may be harmful. Clean your nose carefully with a clean and soft handkerchief or tissue paper. If your nose bleeds, put an ice cube over it. Tongue. We all love to eat delicious food. Some of us like sweet, while others love to eat spicy food. But how are we able to judge whether a given food item is sweet, salty, sour, or bitter? We are able to do this with the help of our tongue. Our tongue also helps us in mixing the food with the saliva in our mouth. The tongue has small taste buds on it that helps us to detect the taste of food. Our tongue also helps us in speaking. Tips of taking care of our tongue are: use a tongue cleaner to clean your tongue regularly to avoid germs and bad smell. Rinse your mouth well after each meal. Do not eat or drink very hot or cold food items. How are we able to tell whether a given object is smooth or rough and soft or hard? Let us see. Skin. We are able to tell whether an object is rough or smooth or hard or soft with the help of our skin. Our skin is sensitive to touch. It's like a blanket that covers our entire body. It acts as a very important sense organ. It can detect various sensations such as heat, cold, pain, soft, rough, etc. Tips for taking care of skin. Take a bath daily to keep your body clean and germ free. Avoid very long exposure to direct sunlight as it may cause sunburn. In case of a burn, immediately apply cold water or ice on the burnt area. If you get a cut or a wound, apply antiseptic cream and take medicine. Eat a lot of green leafy vegetables and fruits. Drink at least 8 to 10 glasses of water a day to keep the skin healthy. Our entire body is covered with hair except a few areas like palms of hands, soles of feet, lips, fingers, etc. They also act as a sense organ. Quick check. Let's solve a question. to check how much have we understood so far. Given in front of you are few images of different food items. Have a look at them and write good for the food items which are good for the skin, and write not good for the food items which are not good for the skin. The first image is that of fruits. The second image is that of green salad. The third image is that of junk food. Fourth image is that of water. You may pause the video and you may write your responses then. Here are the responses. First, yes, it is good. Second, yes, it is good. Third, no, it is not good. Fourth, yes, it is good. Let's solve another question. Given to you are a couple of statements. You have to listen to them and write whether these statements are true or false. You have to write your responses in your notebooks. Wherever necessary, you may pause the video. Statement 1. Nose helps to identify color of different things. Statement 2. Our tongue has small taste buds on it. Statement 3. We must drink water to keep our skin healthy. Statement 4. The hair present on the head prevents the entry of germs and dust into our body. Statement 5. Our tongue helps us in mixing the food with the saliva in the mouth. Statement 6. For good skin, we should eat food items such as green leafy vegetables and fruits. Let's check our responses here. The statement 1 is false. Second statement is true. Third statement is true. Fourth statement is false. Fifth statement is true.
So, I hope you all understood how our nose, tongue and our skin help us and how we should take care of them. Alright? Now, for your today's class, your homework is practice zone 3, practice zone 4 and practice zone 5. What you have to do is you have to write the date 02/07/2020. Practice zone page number 13. Practice zone 4 page number 14 and practice zone 5 on page number 15. This is your homework for today's class. Alright? You have to solve the filling the blanks and solve the question answers. Alright? I'll see you in the next class. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.